How to fix Nintendo game not launching. To fix a Nintendo Switch game that is not launching, first of all, try to force a hard console restart. You simply have to hold down the physical circular power button on the top left of your Switch console for 3 full seconds. Now you simply have to select the power options from the on-screen menu, then choose turn off, and wait 30 seconds, press the power button to boot up and try launching your game once again. This should probably fix your issue. And also make sure to check for the game and system software updates. You can find this update settings by simply accessing to the setting panel from your home screen, then go to the systems and make sure to look for the system update option. If there is, you simply have to download the update and then relaunch your console and your problem will finally be fixed. Hope this video helps you out a lot. If you have any questions or queries, please do comment down below.